So the letter F is quite similar to the letter E. It's almost the same minus the bottom bar here. And I do usually have my crossbar here lowered just a little bit, but the start is the exact same. So we are just going to draw our main stem of our letter. This is the top arm and the middle arm. Again, if you're new to this series, you're jumping in, you can grab these worksheets free in the caption. All right, so now I'm just adding weight to my downstroke. And then again, since these go across my page, they are always thinner by comparison. And just like with the letter E, this is shorter than this. And that helps it look and feel more balanced. So I'm just adding width to my letter frame. And then filling it in to see where I need to refine it. So that is it. I can see that this is maybe not quite as wide as my upper arm, so I'm just gonna thicken that a tiny bit real quickly. And then adding the serifs to this letter is the same as the letter E essentially as well. We're just doing it in less spots because we do not have that lower arm. So I'm just drawing a line straight down, a line across, and then connecting it with a curve. Same thing on this end. And again, remember, we want to keep it about the same width as that. So I'll come straight across, down, curve. And then if you mess it up like that, we can always fix that in the refining phase. At the bottom, we're going to come straight across on both sides and do the same thing. And then just like with the letter E, we're doing the same thing on this arm. And then fill and refine. So every letter is the same basic process. So there is our letter F. And then of course, to change the look of your letter F, a really easy way to change the look is to just play with this. You can make it super low, you can make it higher. When you start getting, you can make it shorter. And there's so many ways to change the look of your letter with just simple changes when you move beyond the beginner level. For the lowercase f, we have a curved ascender, and the F, it's called a hook. So I usually like to start with doing a straight line from about 3/4 of the way up. And then I come in from this angle and add my curved top. And then I'm gonna add my cross stroke, and a crossbar typically ends somewhere. A cross stroke cuts through the whole letter. And then to add weight, we are going to make the downstroke the thickest part. And then we are going to get a bit thinner at the top and taper into a finial. So that's just that tapered terminal end, something like that. And then you're gonna add a little weight to your cross stroke, and then you can fill in your letter. And then again, once it's full of color, it's easier for me to see where I need to refine some lines and balance the overall look. To add serifs to your lowercase f, you'll do the same kind we did at the uppercase at the bottom here. And then for this part, you can either leave it as is or you can add one of those. So that's a teardrop terminal. A ball-shaped terminal, sometimes I'll just draw a perfect circle and then kind of shift it into place, or a crescent one, kind of like that. So those are other ways you can start customizing your letters. All right, so our lowercase f, we are drawing a script F. So I start at the top here usually and then just loop around, something like that. And then come in, I like to come in at an angle for my cross stroke. And then just this main downstroke gets thickened. Again, it's okay to be quite sketchy with it and imperfect, and then you can always add a new layer and redraw it. You can see the base of mine got a little messy. I can either, because I'm on the iPad, it's easy for me to erase and kind of redraw. If you're working on paper, you might want to redraw one next to it, or even use tracing paper. So if I'm adding a new layer, I would just turn off my original or tap the N and reduce the opacity. If you need to do that, you'll have to unlock it. So just swipe left, click unlock, reduce the opacity, and then add another new layer on top, and then trace your letter one more time. And just those are my layers of refinement. All right, and then if you wanna relock that so that you make sure nothing happens to it, you can just click lock again. The lowercase f is very much the same. You are going to draw your, whoop, I'm on the wrong layer. Still on the wrong layer. And your cross stroke, and again, you're just gonna thicken your downstroke there, like that. So that is it for the letter F.